Mix lime and mayonnaise, that's the secret of McDonald's. The famous secret recipe that McDonald's doesn't want you to know. To start the recipe, take a container and add 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise. I finally discovered their secret. I always wondered what it was, but today I found out and brought it to you. After adding the mayonnaise, squeeze a whole lime over the mayonnaise. This recipe is very delicious. You will make it all the time. After squeezing the lime, take some ketchup and add 2 full tablespoons. A former employee taught me this, and the result will amaze you. After the ketchup, I'm also going to add a tablespoon of mustard. I'm using yellow mustard here, but you can use any kind you have at home. Next, take a small carton of sour cream and add the whole thing on top of all these ingredients. After adding all the sour cream, take honey and add a heaping tablespoon. Honey pairs well with recipes, especially to balance and enhance the sweet and sour flavors. Then, take black pepper and add to taste. I've added just a bit here to keep it from being too spicy. Now, just mix everything together very well. The owner of McDonald's will come looking for me after revealing this. It's a secret, and they don't want this secret to be disclosed. But here I am. I'll show you anyway. Take those sauce containers that are often found in fast food restaurants and transfer the entire mixture into the container. After transferring everything, let's take an optional ingredient that makes a big difference in the recipe, grated cheese. I'll add 2 tablespoons to the same container. Grated cheese is delicious. I don't know anyone who doesn't like it. I also don't know anyone who won't like this secret McDonald's recipe. Now, with the same spoon, just mix it until the grated cheese is incorporated into the mixture. After mixing and blending all the ingredients, simply close the container with the lid, and you're done. The special McDonald's sauce is ready, a secret sauce that they've tried to hide the formula for many years. Now you can enjoy it with whatever you like, whether it's burgers, sandwiches, or even toast, or with a McDonald's sandwich, as I'm doing. It's really good. The flavor is almost identical to the secret special sauce. Make it today and you won't regret it. A secret and super delicious sauce made at home with very few ingredients. It's simply wonderful. I'm sure you'll come back to thank me. Thanks for watching. Until next time.